Okay, this right here is São Domingos Church. You can see the beauty of this church all the way up. And then we're gonna walk down, I think this is called Rua de São Domingos. So we're just gonna walk a little bit down there. And then we'll kind of show you this whole little space as well. There's, this is kind of that side of it. This is called Travessa dos Soriano. So that'll be, there's another kind of Rua de Mercadores. So that street ties in with this church, which ties in with that one right there. So, okay.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha.
Go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so let's just kind of take a look here. We'll step back a little bit. Now you can see this one, and then we're gonna kind of go around like that in this little square, and then we're gonna walk down that way. So this got a little sail right here too. So okay, so lots of people hang out in front of São Domingos Church in this little plaza here. I think it's called Senado de São Domingos, I think. Largo. Largo is a square. Largo de São Domingos. So we're in Largo de São Domingos. It's Senado Square down there. They have some live music usually. A little bit later they'll have live music. And this whole area is a little pedestrian street as well. People will film this church quite often, São Domingos, St. Dominic's Church. And we're just gonna stroll through a little bit. Then we're gonna go down Rua de São Domingos. And that's our church right there. And they call that Largo de São Domingos, but our street is kind of short. So we'll try to focus a little bit on the church. Largo de São Domingos. Here's some information about it in Chinese and Portuguese and in English. 1587 by Dominican priest, okay, São Domingos, Dominican priest from Acapulco in Mexico. And there's a lot of other information there as well. So let's just kind of take a look at this again. There it is. So it looks like you can also go in to the church, but it looks like they have a church service. No entry. So sometimes people will do tourist things right there as well. So we're just gonna walk straight down this way, which is Rua de São Domingos. So we'll just kind of walk. I'm gonna capture the sign in a second here. So it's Rua de São Domingos right there. Okay, so it's Rua de São Domingos. São Domingos Church is the highlight of this one. And we're just gonna go up a little bit further. And you can see this part of Macau, there's some pedestrian friendliness, right? And it's a Sunday evening, about 5:30, 6 p.m., something like that. I'm just gonna walk right into the centerpiece. In the centerpiece, there's a big circle. So the circle is kind of a nice focal point, which is right there. So yeah, from this centerpiece right here, we can overlook. This goes all the way to Sao Paulo ruins, and then this building is always kind of cool too. So I guess this is Rua de Palma. So if you go down that way, it goes Rua de Palma, and then it goes to Rua de Sao Paulo, I believe, Sao Paulo ruins. And then our street was Rua de São Domingos, which is this one, St. Dominic's. You got lots of really beautiful architecture all the way around here. And then also up here, you got Portuguese embassy, Portuguese consulate, kind of a commercial street up this way. And then you also have this one up here, goes to Say Cathedral, stuff like that, Travessa de Sa. So yeah, anyways, this is our focus right here, São Domingos. Kind of a cool little space. So there it is. We'll just walk back a little bit. Sometimes if you walk back the same way that you came from, it'll have kind of a different look because you're going the opposite direction. So we'll follow this one this way. Then you can see São Domingos right there. And yeah, Rua de São Domingos is so short anyway, so. in Ciudad de Sa Domingos.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha.